Okay guys, today is April 1st, 2020, April Fools, but this is no joke. I just got my package today from Astro-Physics, and it is their 92mm Stowaway, the latest design, the f6.65. So I thought I would do a box opening of this. I just got home from work today, and my neighbor Don signed for it for me, so I appreciate that, Don. So let's take a look at this. I'm going to be real careful here. Had to fold the one flap back. And so it has this styrofoam, as you can see, on all four sides. And actually what they did, which is very interesting, is they took the box that the Pelican case comes in and then put everything in here, and then put that inside of the shipping box on the outside here. So we will go to the next step. So Astro-Physics is doing something a little bit different than they have in the past. They're now shipping the telescope in a commercially made case. This is the Pelican Air 1525, the 1525 with Trek Pack dividers, TREK-PAK, and it is a waterproof case, and it has, I don't have any air cases. I have many Pelican cases. My understanding is it's a thinner case, the material's thinner, just as heavy for when you want to cut down on weight. And as you see here, it says it's up to 40% lighter. The exterior dimensions are length, width, and depth, 21.96 inches by 13.97 inches by 7.49 inches. That's the exterior. The interior, length, width, and depth, 20.5 inches by 11.31 inches by 6.75 inches. Alright, so I've opened it up, and I'm not sure, I've never gotten a Pelican case that was in plastic. So I'm thinking this is Astro-Physics being Astro-Physics, which is a good thing, and that they put this in this plastic. Now I could be wrong. Like I said, any case that I've ever gotten from Pelican has never been inside a protective plastic like you see here. And as we pull the plastic back, that reveals the case. Before we take it out, really nice, comfortable handle. And it's a gray. I didn't know if it was going to be black, but it's a gray case that this came in. It's got like a nameplate here that you could, I don't know, put something on. And it's got their double throw latches. And it's purged here. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's open this. Isn't that beautiful? Let's see what's inside this. Now this is not a stocked item that comes with this scope. I bought this extra. This is actually a saddle plate. This is the DOVE DV10, Dove DV10, and I did a review of this on my channel, my YouTube channel here, and really nice, and I wanted to get an extra one. And what was interesting is Monday at work I was going to actually order this when I had a moment, and Daleen called me to give me the good news about the Stowaway, so I ordered it at the time, and they put it inside here. So the Stowaway was shipped Monday, March 31st. I received it 2 days later, April the 1st, 2020. Before I go any further, let's give the all-important serial number. If there's anybody else that is just curious about what number it is and if they're on the list where they might be. Now, on the invoice, on my receipt, it shows 92665-3-320. I guess I'm going to interpret that as the third run, number 320. And let's pull this out. Let's see. That would be a cap that goes to the focuser. Looks like it's a 2-inch cap. And what do we have here? Well, I'll have to see what we have here. I'm not sure what all that is. Oh, this looks like Pelican stuff. Yeah, this is all Pelican. This looks like a cutter. And I don't know if this is for strap material. I'm not sure what this is. I've never seen this before. So we've got that. We'll put that back in here. Stuff from the attorneys. Oh, well, you know, oh, okay. I thought it was going to talk about the plastic bag, but it's talking about if you had a bigger box, not to have a baby in there. And stuff about, I guess if you're going to cut the Trek Pack material. In this case, I won't have to do that. It's already there. All right, and I see what that is now. Not used to this Trek Pack system. That's what they use to stick down in here. Okay, that's what these are, and you put this on here, these little red, so that you can pull them out easy. It gives you a way to pull those out if you want to change the system around. So again, I'm not familiar with this, but I looked a little closer, and that's exactly what it is. And this tool that comes with it is for cutting the dividers, like you see here. And some very good advice. Measure twice, cut once. Used to be a carpenter. I still do all my own work now, but that's a very good, those are very good things to live by. Okay guys, enough of the chit chat. Let's get to the meat and potatoes of this video. Now let's see. So this is some information on it. Pretty much the same thing that's probably on their website, several pages. Accessories. One does not live on a telescope alone. You have to have accessories. So I'll definitely be looking at that. This is your registration card. And this is the telescope. Let's check it out. One thing I noticed is they do give extra dividers in here. So if you do want to do some putting some dividers up front here for miscellaneous stuff. You've got that. Alright, so one thing you'll notice before I take off the plastic bag is how Astro-Physics is so meticulous as to how they package things, how they ship them, and everything is just, I mean, it's just a cut above. Sometimes the way they wrap things when you get accessories, I'm doing a little bit of swearing because it's so hard to get into, but you know what? When it's all said and done, I appreciate that. And this thing is just so nice and light. My God. Let's set it down. Oh, let's just absorb in the beauty of this thing. Yes. Okay, guys, so that's it for now. I just wanted to do this unwrapping. Thought it'd be interesting for those that maybe are on the list. They're going to get it. And I'm going to do a review, hopefully this weekend. And I'll go over everything, show you all the workings of it. But for now, the skies are cloudy, wouldn't you know it. And all Astro-Physics equipment is approved by my little chihuahua here, Moose.